So we're going to make an owl with moving eyes. For this job you need some craft glue, a couple of pieces of card and some little pieces of coloured paper, scissors and a strip of white card. Here's a shape for his head, an egg shape. It doesn't matter about the little bottom bits because we're going to cover those up. So we want to cut out 2 eye holes, draw them on to give you a guide. We can cut halfway round and up so that the eyes can open and close. And the same with the other one. You need a grown-up to help you push your scissors through because it's a fiddly job this, but you can do the feathers and the pattern on the owl. Halfway round and up to the top. Now then, if I just peel that off, we'll put some glue on the back of the brown and then that can be sticking down. And another eye. So that's the owl's head. Now then, I'm going to put some layers, a stripe of glue across, all the way down his tummy. And to build up his body, we're going to put a layer of colours as we go across. Oops, it's sticking to my fingers. So that's his brown feathers, and then we'll do a row of yellow ones. And he'll look like a nice fluffy owl, a young one I think this is. I'm going to do a row of orange ones now that overlap. We'll have to draw him some feet on at the bottom, I think. I bet you know what a noise an owl makes. They go to-wit, to-woo. Somebody told me, somebody who was an expert on owls, said that one owl does the to-wit and his friend does the to-woo. But I don't know how they know that. They must have been very close to the owls to hear all that going on. Right. Now then, I've got a little black triangle cut out, which should sit on there nicely for his beak. So that needs a bit more glue. And then we'll have to try and get the moving eyes arranged. To-wit, to-woo, to you too. There's his beak. My glues count to 10 glue, so if I hold that down and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it should be nice and stuck. Yes, it is. Now then, level with the eyes. About here, we need to cut a slot. This is a grown-up job. I don't want you poking through the card into your fingers, because that would hurt, and the owl would be terribly upset. So through that slot, we put a thin strip of card, and it goes behind his eyes and out the other side. That's good. And then we just need a felt tip pen to draw the eye centres. Nice and big. Nice and shiny. And I'm going to give him some feet because he's sitting on a branch. There's the branch of the tree. There's one leaf just showing at the end. And that's his big black toes. And I think I'll just do some dots around the top of his head for his little feathers. They often have little dots around their eyes. There. Now then, to-wit, to-woo, how do you do? And he's watching you. He's watching to see what's going on. And that's how to make a spooky owl whose eyes move and watch you in the night.